Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Italian or hot sugar, meringue is the only way I recommend for reliably soft, stable topping and fillings. Use Italian meringue for a soft, stable topping that holds shape and resists weeping. Gather 4 egg whites and 1 cup, 200 g, granulated sugar, plus a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. Cook the sugar syrup to 240 degrees F, 115 degrees C, for proper stability and softness. Chill the whites briefly, then start whipping over medium speed, and combine 1 cup, 200 g, sugar with 1/4 cup, 60 ml water and stir to dissolve before heating. Combine 1 cup 200 g sugar with 1/4 cup, 60 ml water for the syrup. Heat the syrup to 240 degrees F, 115 degrees C, using a candy thermometer while watching closely. This temperature yields soft, stable meringue. Begin whipping the whites to soft peaks and then pour the hot syrup in a thin, steady stream. Pour the hot syrup slowly into whipped whites while mixer runs on high speed, avoiding the whisk. Continue beating the mixture until the bowl is cool to the touch and the meringue is glossy. This takes about 6-8 minutes. Continue beating until the meringue is glossy and cool to the touch, about 6-8 minutes. At that point, you can add 1 teaspoon vanilla or 1 tablespoon lemon juice for flavor without collapsing the structure. Use the meringue immediately as a soft topping, pipe decorations with a large tip, or fold it gently into buttercream for a lighter texture. Store briefly at room temperature on finished desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.